Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw or move money from your PayPal account. Now once you're logged into your PayPal account, here under the home section you will see your PayPal balance. And right under it you should see transfer money. I want you to tap on that and then it'll ask you how you want to transfer the money. So you can transfer it to your debit card or your linked bank account. So we have these cards linked. If you want, you can go to link your bank account, just tap on this, or you can link a debit card. And then you just choose where you want to go ahead and transfer or withdraw to, and then tap here on next, enter the transfer amount, okay, and then tap here on next again. And you can just review the transfers. You can see this one is right here. The fee will be $5. So the speed is 1 to 3 days. And once you're happy with it, just come here and click on it, transfer this amount now. And as you can see, we have transferred it. It will take 1 to 3 business days and it will go to our Visa prepaid account. You can tap here on done after that. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.